Yeah, so near is one of the charts that's showing some momentum from the 10th of October low. I think it's important to understand that near, while it's been ranging, it's basically been ranging all year, but it is still holding our bull market support area here between 156 and 227. So we are holding this bull market support area still. Yep, we briefly broke it on the 10th of October, but I don't fully trust that wick. And also it didn't break decisively and nothing got invalidated. So yeah, I call it bull market support area just because it is the key support zone for a deep pullback that happened, or that is relevant for a deep pullback while still holding some upside potential alive. After that rally that we had 2023 into the 24 highs, it's basically been in a correction for more than a year. And so it's about time that it's showing us some action here. If this is supposed to become something more bullish in this cycle. Interesting because it shows some momentum and it reacted to this micro support area in this 1-2 setup. We looked at it in one of the previous live sessions. So we had a micro 5-wave move up here in wave 1, pullback. Again, also here you can see this in small, what I just showed you in large. This could be a third wave. Maybe we are working on the fourth already. That's fine. Yeah, could be a fourth wave, sideways consolidation. It needs to hold 234 to keep upside potential alive in a fifth wave of a larger third. And then we can track another fourth and another fifth. And so if we get these 5 waves, then we can call that again wave 1, probably of a larger C wave to the upside, which might then take us to $16 plus, hopefully. We'll see. Let's first see if we can get these 5 waves. But we need to break above this critical high from the 10th of October. And again, it's always on most charts, it comes down to that swing high from the 10th. In this case, it is at around 323. And then there is some more resistance around these previous swing highs from 344. So it's a bit of a cluster of resistance zone. And yeah, even with one more high, we only have 3 waves. So it needs to give me one more higher low afterwards. Basically, ideally breaking the pullback, breaking out another pullback, flipping previous resistance for support, and then one more high. And that gives me basically another 1-2 setup, and then up we go. Ideally, that's what would be ideal. But again, we are still, and this is important to understand, we're still in the same range that we've been in since, you could say, February, March. Yeah, so while it is interesting at the moment and probably the strongest green candle we've seen in a while, no break above critical resistance. So too early to get excited about this.